Keeping your home spotless and sanitized has never been easier, thanks to the Bissell Poweredge Lift-Off Steam Mop. This versatile cleaning tool combines the power of steam with innovative design features to tackle dirt and grime on both floors and above-floor surfaces. If you're tired of dragging out multiple cleaning tools and products for different surfaces, the Bissell Poweredge Lift-Off Steam Mop is the game changer you need. Read on to discover why this steam mop is a must-have for every household. One of the standout features of the Bissell Poweredge Lift-Off Steam Mop is its 2-in-1 functionality. With a detachable handheld steamer, you can seamlessly transition from cleaning floors to addressing messes on countertops, sinks, and even grout. The handheld unit is lightweight and easy to use, making it perfect for those hard-to-reach areas and stubborn stains. The on-demand steam trigger allows you to control exactly how much steam you apply to your floors, ensuring you never use more than necessary. This feature is particularly useful for delicate surfaces that require a gentle touch. Whether you're dealing with a sticky spill or everyday dust, the Bissell Poweredge delivers the right amount of steam to get the job done effectively. Navigating around furniture and into tight corners can be a hassle with traditional mops, but not with the Bissell Poweredge. The triangle foot design and swivel steering make it incredibly easy to maneuver, allowing you to clean edges and corners effortlessly. This thoughtful design ensures that no area of your floor is left untouched. Included with the Bissell Poweredge Lift-Off Steam Mop are 2 specialized tools, a bristle scrub brush and a grout tool. These attachments enhance the versatility of the handheld steamer, allowing you to tackle a variety of surfaces. The bristle scrub brush is perfect for cleaning sinks, stovetops, and countertops, while the grout tool makes short work of dirt and grime embedded in grout lines. Using the power of steam, the Bissell Poweredge Lift-Off Steam Mop naturally sanitizes your sealed hard floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria when used as directed. This makes it an excellent choice for households with children and pets, as it provides a chemical-free way to keep your home hygienic. The microfiber pads included with the mop are effective in trapping dirt and can be washed and reused, adding to the eco-friendly benefits of this steam cleaner. The Bissell Poweredge Lift-Off Steam Mop is equipped with a 1,500-watt power rating, ensuring it heats up quickly and delivers powerful steam consistently. This high performance is what sets it apart from other steam mops on the market, providing you with a reliable and efficient cleaning tool. Why choose the Bissell Poweredge Lift-Off Steam Mop? 1. Versatility. Clean floors and above-floor surfaces with one device. 2. Control. On-demand steam trigger for precise cleaning. 3. Ease of use. Swivel steering and triangle foot design for maneuverability. 4. Sanitization. Naturally eliminates germs and bacteria. 5. Specialized tools. Includes a bristle scrub brush and grout tool for comprehensive cleaning. Conclusion. The Bissell Poweredge Lift-Off Steam Mop is more than just a steam cleaner, it's a complete cleaning solution for your home. Its combination of powerful steam, versatile attachments, and user-friendly design makes it an indispensable tool for maintaining a clean and healthy living environment. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple cleaning products and tools, and experience the convenience and efficiency of the Bissell Poweredge. With the Bissell Poweredge Lift-Off Steam Mop, cleaning your home has never been easier or more effective. Invest in this powerful tool today and enjoy a cleaner, healthier living space tomorrow. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.